Where are they?
They're in my pocket. You have to go in there.
Alright.
Those are yours. Hey. Alright.
Do you know that store is open all day, every day, every year, even if there's a purge?
Well, we can't go in that. We don't have any money.
Where?
What store you're talking about?
Amazon Go?
Not right now.
You need a debit card. Did you hear me?
Are you talking about Amazon Go?
Yeah, you need a debit card.
Either that or an Amazon card. You have to have an Amazon account to go in
There's
there.
an Amazon card.
Yeah, there's Amazon gift cards.
Yeah, gift cards for like games, but the other Amazon stuff you can't use that. That's for ordering stuff off of the line. You can only use. There's only one thing you can use, and that's the Amazon Go app and the and you gotta pay with your credit card. Some certain things that you don't know. I already know, Tanner.
Alright. Jay, look over there.
Oh, over there.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to let these people go first. Jay, stop.
I said I'm joking. That's me.
Alright.
No.
Bless you.